Hey, what's up, Buy Smart family? Welcome back to the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned money wisely. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras, comparing the Canon EOS R8 and the Canon EOS R100. One's a full-frame heavyweight, and the other is a budget-friendly featherweight. Let's see which one is worth your cash. First up, price. The Canon EOS R8 is a fancy full-frame camera that'll set you back about $1,499. Reviewers praise it for its quality, but note that it's an investment. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R100 is a steal at just $599, making it a favorite among beginners looking for quality without breaking the bank. Now, let's talk about the brain of these beauties, the image sensor. The R8 has a whopping 24.2 million pixel full-frame CMOS sensor that reviewers love for its high-quality images. The R100 has a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, which is great for casual photography, but not quite as impressive as the R8's full-frame magic. Next up, autofocus. The R8 boasts dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with 1053 AF zones, which reviewers rave about for its fast. The R100 has dual-pixel AF, but it covers only up to 143 zones. Reviewers find it snappy, but for serious action shots, the R8 is the clear winner. Moving on to movie recording, the R8 can shoot uncropped 4K video at 60 FPS, and reviewers appreciate its impressive video capabilities. The R100 can record video too, but it's seen as more suited for casual vlogs rather than cinematic masterpieces. If you want to capture epic moments in detail, the R8 is your go-to. Lastly, let's talk about size and weight. The R8 is compact for a full-frame camera, but if you're looking for something lightweight, the R100 is the way to go. Reviewers love its portability, making it perfect for spontaneous trips and everyday use. If ease of carry is what you need, the R100 shines here. In summary, the Canon EOS R8 is highly praised for its advanced features, superior image quality, and impressive video capabilities, making it ideal for serious photographers. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R100 is recommended for beginners and casual users looking for a budget-friendly camera with decent quality. So what's the verdict? If you're a serious photographer who wants to take stunning images and videos, the Canon EOS R8 is your best bet. But if you're just starting out or want a solid camera that won't break the bank, then the Canon EOS R100 is the way to go. Remember, whether you're capturing memories or filming your next big adventure, choose wisely. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments below which camera you're leaning towards. Until next time, keep buying smart.